today the main question we're asking Kenyans is, do you know the capital city of Ghana?
Hey. Are you serious? Okay, the capital city. Honestly, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't, unless you remind me. I'm very sure. No, wait. Ghana. Cairo is?
Cairo is in Egypt.
Please, make sure you omit that. Make sure you don't edit that out.
Okay, I'll just help you. It's Accra.
Yeah, it's Accra. Oh, damn.
Have you heard anything about Accra? Or have you heard about it maybe on TV or YouTube or anywhere?
Okay, apart from their movies, like I said, nothing special.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Maren and I'm Maureen. So today we are going to be doing an episode where we're asking Kenyans if they know the capital city of. So if you're new to this channel, can you consider subscribing, liking this video, and also leave us a sweet comment so that we know what you think about this video. Come with us, let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Toben Omondi.
Toben.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the country Ghana?
Yeah, Ghana, I know. Yeah, I know. West Africa.
What do you know about it?
Oh, I know several things. One, they are good in. I think they were leading a time in Africa. Country that is producing most cocoa. Then their football, I have known them. Is a country that I've been supporting when they go to the World Cup. African teams, Ghana has always been my favorite. Yeah, from back in the days. Although now it has declined a bit. Yeah, so that's what I know about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the capital city of Ghana?
Yes, I know.
What is the capital?
Accra.
Oh, you're well knowledgeable. And is it a country you'd like to visit?
Of course, yes. Oh, do you know, in West Africa, Ghana is the country I love the most. I just love it. Then I love their ladies. So they're so beautiful. Oh, hallelujah.
So when you visit Ghana, what is it that you're looking forward to seeing when you get there?
Their ladies, man. I love their ladies. Okay, I don't know those are the ones because I see them in movies, but I've seen their ladies they have what ladies.
Could you mention for us one of those you've seen?
Yeah, this actor, she's people confuse her with Nigerian, but I have really, how will I say it? Like I've gone deeper. I love her so much. Known as Jackie Apia.
Okay.
She's a Ghanaian. That girl she was my crush back in the days. Since when I was growing, I just love her.
If she was standing in front of you, what should you like her to know?
Jackie, there's a boy in Kenya. I just love you. I love Jackie so much. Jackie Apia. The eyes, then the dark skin. I love Jackie so much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Robbie Masaga.
Robbie.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Ghana?
Yes.
What do you know it for?
You know Ghana and Nigeria, they're almost the same. It's like Kenya and Tanzania.
Yeah.
So you see, I know Ghana through their movies. Yes. Through not Nigerian movies, but Ghanaian movies. Yes.
Is there some prominent figures maybe you can mention for us who you know from Ghana?
I'm very bad with names, but I know Van Vika. Is he from Ghana or Nigeria?
He's from Ghana.
From Ghana.
Yeah.
Genevieve, she's from Nigeria.
Genevieve,
Nigeria. From Nigeria. Well, I know Ramsey, no?
Ramsey, I'm not sure.
Well, for Van Vika, I'm very sure he's from Ghana. Yeah.
Okay, and what do you think about the people of Ghana?
What do I think about
from the ones you've watched?
Okay, for me, I find men to be a bit attractive than Kenyan men. Guy wasinipige mawe than Kenyan men. Yeah, you see Van Vika da.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
Joyce.
So today we are asking people, do you know the country Ghana?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
It's in West Africa.
West Africa.
Yeah.
Oh, is it a country you'd like to visit given an opportunity?
Yes, sure.
What about the capital city of Ghana?
Yeah, I would like to visit.
Okay, and do you know the capital city of Ghana?
No.
Okay, so
you know.
It's Accra.
Okay.
So at least today you knew it.
You just reminded me.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Sawa.
And what do you love about the country Ghana?
Ghana. It's a nice country. Yeah.
Is there anything you'd like to see or experience?
In Ghana? Not yet. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time.
You're so well.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Kate Noela.
Kate. Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, first of all, do you know the country Ghana?
I hear about Ghana.
What do you hear about it?
It's a good city.
And is Ghana a country you'd like to visit?
No,
Why?
I just don't like it.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, what is the capital city of Ghana?
Dodoma.
Dodoma.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time. And would you marry a man from Ghana?
Yes, I would. I would, because I find Ghanaian men, and I see no difference with Ghanaian na Kenyan men. And me, I love Kenyan men.
Okay.
So I would marry a Ghanaian because ni kama two Kenyan men. Yeah.
Okay. And is Ghana a place you'd like to visit given an opportunity?
Yes. I would love to visit Ghana because first of all, I want to know how. Okay, I'm in media industry, so you see, for Ghanaians and Nigerians, they believe they've invested so much when it comes to media industry. So I would love to visit Ghana, at least to get the experience, how they do their movies, how they produce. Yes.
Okay, since you've said you're into media, what do you do?
I do content creation. Well, I'm a journalist by profession. Content creation. What else? Yeah, I say that is what I do.
Okay, so if they want to look for you, how can they find you?
Well, they can find me on all my socials as Robbie Masaga. Robbie Masaga. Okay. All my socials. Okay. Yes.
So guys, kindly go take a minute to go and check her out. You can also subscribe and let her know you're from the Twinsango channel, right? Yeah. And you can also let her know the capital city of Ghana. And you can also let her know the capital city of Ghana.
Come on, you guys. Anyway, thank you guys.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Jaden Getus. And you?
Jaden. I'm Maren. Yeah, so today we're asking Kenyans, first of all, do you know the country Ghana?
Actually, sijaifika but nimeisoma kwa vitabu. Yeah.
And what do you know about it? Okay, umeisoma kwa vitabu. Where else have you heard about Ghana?
Ghana actually nimeisikia with my friends. I have my learned friends wenye wanaendanga huko. But I prefer one day nikipata do nitafika huko. But for now, because I'm not good, actually wacha tu ni stick to Kenya.
And what do you think about Ghanaians?
I think they are cool people. People who are considerate, watu wazuri. Si kama like, let's say Kenyans. Unajua Kenyans ni ya watu bad boys like me, unajua. Yeah.
Okay, so the main question of today is what is the capital city of Ghana?
Actually I can doubt, naweza bahatisha cause siko sure, but sijui kama inaweza kuwa Accra.
Accra.
Yeah.
You got it right. You're doubting yourself. So is Ghana a country you'd like to visit given a chance?
Definitely. Yeah.
What about if you were given a chance to marry a woman from Ghana?
Actually siwezi kudanganya. When it comes to marriage, that's something very serious. Something you have to really consider a lot. So something like because it's someone mwenye mtakufa naye bana to the end, so definitely akinibamba lazima tu nipite naye. Yeah.
And what do you look forward to most to seeing most when you go to Ghana?
Like what I like to nikifika huko nione.
Yeah. Or experience.
Nasikianga they have nice ladies, watu wazuri. They have cool food. Picnics pia ziko. So I hope to kufika huko alafu ni enjoy it, have some fun.
Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Maureen.
Maureen.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking, do you know the country Ghana?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
Let me say Ghana is known for its, maybe say most of the musicians, they do sing a lot. Yeah, I think has great artists from Ghana. And still, let me say the culture, Ghana, I think it has strong culture as you compare it. Yeah, it has strong culture, very strong culture. And still, let me say, Apart from the culture, I think Ghana is more of, not exactly food, but let me say cocoa found in Ghana. Yeah, I think it's widely known for its, output from Ghana. Yeah, I think I would love to visit the place. Yeah.
And what do you look forward most to seeing when you visit Ghana? And what would you like to experience when you visit Ghana?
Maybe I'll just go to their, auditions, listen to their music, taste their food, see a bit of their cultures. And still, I want to see the cocoa itself. Yeah, I want to see the cocoa itself.
And is there like a prominent figure from Ghana?
A prominent figure?
Or a celebrity?
A celebrity, I think not really, but I can just point out, but I can remember the names. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate.
Oh, thanks so much.